So if you are looking to get your food business up and running and you need to get a loan, or you need to get your food truck up and running and you're trying to get a loan for a truck, maybe from home if you're starting a cottage food business, if you're looking to create a business plan, I found a fantastic resource. I'm going to dive into it with you and show you that you can get one written professionally for you from people who do this all the time. And we're going to hit that right now. All right, so let's jump right into it. I'm going to show you guys a resource. This is a fantastic website I came across, and I know that a lot of you are actually creating your own businesses either at home from a cottage food business from home, maybe a food truck you're just getting up and running, maybe even a cafe or restaurant and going into a retail food eatery. This is a website that will help you create a business plan. Now, I've done a couple of videos about business plans, but I actually have never come across this website until just recently, and I thought I'd show you guys this website and talk a little bit about what the services are and what they do. This is called Business Plan, bargainbusinessplan.com. And again, I'll have a description, by the way, down in below the video that I'll have a link directly to the website. You can click on that and then take a look at this and read up a little bit more about it, okay? I'm going to give you a good review here, but definitely take a look at it for yourself and see which one would be right, because there are different types of business plans. So now, what is this website good for? It's for the people who need a business plan but are not familiar with how to write them. This is done by people who have MBAs. They have masters in business in regards to writing business plans, so they know how to write them, what types of information, what types of numbers, what types of information you're going to need to sit down in front of a bank and get a loan potentially for your business. If you're looking to expand your business that you already have existing, but you need to have some type of forecast or some type of a plan in place, this is going to be the website to help you write that, okay? So, really quick, one thing they do have that's fantastic is their free consultation. They have, the writers will work with you one-on-one to develop a plan, okay, prior to getting it up and running. They can also do them custom. So this is not a website where they just have some pre-made templates and they're going to fill in some information. If you have a specific type of business, it could be a food truck, as I mentioned. It could be a cafe, a coffee shop, an eatery, a pizzeria, any of those things. They really have particular bits of information that really need to be in a business plan because they're not all the same. They can also help you with the research and the market and such for data and information about your type of business, where you are. And then also you get it within about 2 weeks, about a week to 2 weeks once it's all set and ready to go. So what type of plans do they have and what is it? Okay, so they have the bargain plan, an economical plan, and an optimum plan. Now, most of you watching this will probably need just the basic bargain plan. Why is that? Because this specific information will be ready. It will be bank ready and SBA, which is Small Business Administration ready. That's going to allow you to sit in front of a banker and ask for a loan with a really well-made plan in place so the bankers and credit institutions know what you're going to do with your business. They also have a money-back guarantee, which is actually pretty strong. If you pay that much for a business plan and you're not liking it, if it doesn't work out, pan out, you can get your money back. 3 years financials and then research and analysis. So what this means here is that they're going to project out information 3 years ahead of time to give people an idea of how your business can grow and what you can do to make it grow, okay? The next one is the economical. Now, this one is really going to be for people who might be looking for franchises or investors. So if you're looking to get a food franchise, you want to buy a food franchise, you want to get into franchise food business, that type of a business plan, again, as I mentioned in the earlier part, all of these are different types of plans. So if you're looking to do that, or find an investor who's going to invest in your business and it's already existing. So maybe you're not starting a business, but you want to expand a business. That would be the right type of business plan to have them do as well. Now, also nonprofits. If you are creating a nonprofit, maybe it's food related, some type of nonprofit business in that sense, that's going to be the type that you would want to get yourself into as well. Now, what does that have? Again, it's going to give detailed market research. It's going to understand the market in your community, in your area, as well as a bigger, broader understanding of what your food business or food product could potentially be for you. And then give you 5 years financials, the market plan as well, and a target market analysis, okay? Now, the next one up is going to be one that's called the Optimum. This is $2,499. This is going to be a very strategic business plan. Okay, this is going to be for people who are looking for angel investors or venture capitalists. Okay, VCs and angel investors are those people who have a lot of money. It can actually be a single person, and they could have a few $1,000,000 or $100 million, and they invest in really prosperous businesses. So this type of business plan would attract those types of investors. It's not really a bank, and it's not just getting started. You've got something, you've got a track history, you've got a record. You definitely want to have something that's much more detailed, because venture capitalists don't just randomly give out money. They have to know a lot of information, okay? And as you can see here, you do. You get a lot of this information here, okay? So let's go through exactly what this website is about as well. They've been featured on Entrepreneur, Business.com, and Top 10 Reviews. They have since 2008, company was established. That's over 12 years. So they're obviously doing something right to stay in business over 10 years. 900 industries, 500 plus business partners, and 2,500 veterans served. Okay, so also, by the way, there's a lot of benefits for veterans and small businesses, by the way. And one of the great things is this website works, of course, with any type of business entrepreneur, but has worked a lot with veterans as well. So if you're a veteran and you're looking to create that business or grow it and you need a business plan, check out this website. It could be a huge plus for you, okay? Now, I want to touch really quick and show you business plan consulting. So if you are looking for people just to help walk you through it, and maybe you want to put one together, you just need some consultations, you need to understand a few things, ask some questions. They do have business plan consultants. You can actually get business plans done, consultations to promote growth and key decisions, custom logos as well, which actually do those as well, professional logos, pitch deck. So this is the presentations to help you attract and secure investments. If you're looking for a way to pitch your product or pitch your business plan too, if you've got to stand up and talk to a handful of people, they also have that available too. They can talk to you about that and give you some tips and pointers on how that works. So I wanted to just keep this short and sweet. I did want to bring this to you guys' attention. I've had a lot of you actually ask about business plans in general. And I know I've done a couple videos to show you kind of what goes in them. But if you really need someone to help you write a good one, take a look at this website. It would definitely be worth your time. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching Marketing Food Online. And if you are looking to create your own food truck, start a home-based food business under the cottage food law, franchise a food operation, start a packaged food business, private label your own food product, sell on Amazon, get your own online store, or sell food online, remember to subscribe and check out these videos for more resources. Take care.